Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Neck Wrap Duck Swizzle. So obviously you need to know how to do a neck wrap. Probably the easiest one to know already would be a neck wrap push spin. So I'll put a link to that in the description below. So as long as you know how to do one of those, then you are pretty well set up to do one of these. And it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. So it begins exactly like a standard neck wrap. So we go semicircle back to 2 hands. This comes off a travelling return in 2 hands, so how you set that up is up to you in freestyle, but we bring the lady through, travelling return, 2 hands, which gives us a double cross. Guys, step out to the left. We're bringing the lady back through to the right, just in a standard neck wrap setup. So we're walking the lady into a turn direction. The right hand comes up, the left hand slides along to the lady's shoulders, and that's where you'd normally be setting yourself up something like a push spin. What we're actually going to do, hand on the shoulder, we're going to tilt the lady so we can get the duck. The lady keeps turning. As she comes round, this left hand comes off over the top, the right hand goes down low, so the lady continues to turn. You go all the way around into a surprise swizzle, and you could do any swizzle variant you wanted from here. We're just going to give you a standard double return on the way out, so we walk the lady forwards into a return, the left goes over the lady's head, we let go with the right, the lady goes round one more time, lower and back, and you are done. So let's think numbers. We go back to 2 hands. 1, travelling return, 2, and back, 3. Walking the lady forwards with the hands going slightly to the right. There's the prep. 4. We go into a turn, sliding the right hand up and the left hand up the arm. 5. We lead the duck. 6. Round into the swizzle. 7. And pose. 8. Travelling return. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6. A neck wrap duck. It's a back over the lady, and look, prep, turn, duck, round, swizzle, 1, 2, and look. And that's it. It's the whole fella. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you find it useful and fun out on the dance floor. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and every like and every subscription helps to promote the channel, so thank you to everyone who does that. If you're finding this useful, I really appreciate that, people doing that. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.